Yeah, so what's good, y'all? So I know it's probably loud, but I'm right by a highway. But as you can see, we about to get hopefully some tires, some wheels and tires. Cause as you can see, look at this. His tires, compared to mine, his tires, he needs some new tires. So I guess he want to finance. He got the money, but he want to finance them. So he about to finance him some tires, wheels and tires, I guess. But he don't know which ones he want. Keep trying to tell him. I don't know. What y'all think in the comments? Black or chrome? Or black and chrome? Cause these look nice. But he don't know what he is. This is how mine is all black with the little chrome brushes. But let's show you his truck. He got a Chevy. I got a GMC. So let me know, black or chrome. And he should have been got some. Look at the tread. And these mud tires should be. Look at that. Look at the difference. If y'all can see. So we're gonna see what he gonna get or what he gonna do. He trying to get approved and see how much he can get. So knowing him, he probably go all out. Knowing him. So we gonna see what he talking about. So no rims, huh?
Huh?
Interview.
Yeah, Mike.
So no rims, just tires?
Not this time. Come back in 2021.
2021 to get some rims?
Yeah.
Or you can buy them on Facebook.
One rim to go.
4360, right?
Yeah.
Or you can just buy them from Facebook.
Mission store.
Though. Forgot about this though. Some extreme forces. Especially Forge. It's gonna be my next truck. 250. What star? Yeah, see these. Huh? Yeah, it depends what the.
No rims, right?
Yeah, you could just wait and. Yeah, pretty sure if you put them.
I'm asking that because I can go back.
All right.
Once you put them on Facebook or something.
So you see me decisive right now, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean? So I get that vibe from you.
Man, just get them tires. You go see them tires, you know, like how he made it over here.
What time? Slid over here. How long will it be to put them on?
It ain't gonna be long. It's tires.
I should clean the rims while they too long.
Clean them while they on the truck.
I ain't seen what tricks I got. I think
So I'm gonna make a video like how you can save money by washing your own car and doing your laundry. Look, this how his tires look.
Yeah.
42? I got you. I got 10 in the truck. Gotta do something. Putting down that minimum.
And then a double back. You pay the 400. No.
You cheat for no reason at
Double
all.
back. You pay the 5, I'll be done.
When you go pay the 4, it's like,
It's Friday.
and then you can pay the 5 the next.
Yeah, it'll be done. So I have for my credit, to build my credit, make it last a little bit.
Yeah, cause if you do it quick, then it's gonna be like
But it took me for my
You
truck.
have finance before snap before?
the credit history good.
Pretty strong.
Huh?
Pretty strong with these cats.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good, I bet.
Good thing. Shit, I mean,
They want me to spin, that's why.
it's a good thing, fam, because if I don't get approved as much as you, I snap like that.
Got a good
Got
credit.
that good credit.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's good. Howdy.
Huh?
Howdy.
I'm old, man. I'm done 30.
Good, man. It's good.
Thank you, Daddy, for that.
Yeah.
What trade?
Yeah, everything was said, baby.
I'm the only one who try to get 25,000 right now.
Ah, look at that motherfucker by this giveaway like that.
Oh.
That bitch in A1 shape.
I know, I'm clean.
It look nice.
I'm clean.
That is clean. That is fully built.
The platinum?
Fully tuned everything.
Oh, you deleted
Everything.
Alright. So I got a home for it. I got just a basic model, 250.
I'm saying.
You don't understand.
Plus, I would like the door is.
You don't know. You don't know what the wheel lock is.
Huh?
You don't know what a wheel lock is.
I don't know what out here.
But I want to see his reaction to the tires. Them tires.
So I'm trying to ball, boy.
I didn't even look at it.
I'm trying dirty. Oh man, I'm gonna dirty.
That dude is got a truck.
Record my truck, man. Record my truck moving.
Record it moving? Why you want to record it moving?
Oh, we gotta do this.
Put it in slow motion? Nice.
Oh, there.
Tires.
Oh, it's ball for real.
I know, they look like truck tires.
Look like just like this.
Mm-hmm. I need to get them.
You kind of got like too much shit done to it. That's my 5,000 right there.
Lift kit? You gotta see what type of lift kit he got.
Huh?
Oh, he got a FabTech. The FabTech, that for this truck?
Oh, the lift kit.
Yeah, for this truck, that thing is expensive for the FabTech. Cause he got all the shocks. He don't have the blocks.
Okay.
So if you got all shocks, that mean you like, and he got coilover, so it ride like a car.
He had an automatic running board there.
Yeah, he probably don't care. It's nice though. I like it. Look, you know he don't care because look, he ain't getting no inspection in a long time. That is 319. You know you don't care.
God damn. Ready to this
You know you don't care. Y'all follow him. Nate don't stop. It's maroon because the flakes. You can see the flakes on that thing. He getting yelled at because he bought some tires without talking to his wife. Spent some money.
Look who's right here. AJ making a YouTube channel. AJ. On me? Look, you be on the channel now.
We're trying to get famous, man. Everybody get rich.
Look at his truck though. Look at his truck though. Watch this. He got his name all over this truck. He got his YouTube name all over the truck.
Talking about my truck because I got my name on it. That's promotion, man.
Huh?
Promotion.
Lotus.
I need to wash my tires. They dirty. I gotta wash it. Give me some LED headlights. I'm turn this black. But where we at? We at KTW Ramblin' Tire. King Tire and Wheel. King Tire and Wheel. So we just oh, he scared the hell out. He scared me, boy. He scared me, boy.
See, that's so smooth.
I didn't know he was about to do that. Alright, so we about to cut till we
Hey, this been following me around on the channel. You gotta pay me to be on YouTube.
Get good exposure, man. Somebody might looking for what you is, electrician?
Yeah.
Journeyman electrician.
Electrician.
She a coach. What'd you say?
Make sure I go to Lotus.
Is we on already?
We went already. I want no code to get off now.
Alright, so finally he got his truck done, as y'all can see from the last tire. They way better, as y'all can see from the those last tires that he had.
Huh?
They look way better. Let me get a full view of the truck. Look. Way better than the other one. What is he doing? What you doing? I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna take it on my phone.